Hey guys, I have the Webeauty with me and I'm going to hair dry my hair. Let's do it together. So this is the case. It's sturdy. Oh, look, it has a handle. If you go travel and if you want to bring this, it fits in your luggage. It's not gonna take that much of a space. And it's a glove that you can use when it's hot, so you can change the heads. And this is the machine. It has some option there, so that's the volume 1 and 2, and this is where you're going to see the heat. Hair like much